This week, my son needle felted these little balls and he insisted on doing a bigger one as well. Last year, we did a few felt projects, some random and others more specific, like when we needle felted a few bees for our unit study on bees. Anyway, we were just looking at those projects and my son wanted to do some more needle felting, but this time he wanted to do it all on his own. And we worked out that it would be okay so long as he was wearing the correct protective gear. I asked him what he was interested in making and this is what he wanted to do, so that's what happened. Needle felting is a fantastic activity for young children and it's especially fun because they get to create something and then play with it. That makes it great for imaginative play, as well as hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and developing those concentration skills. He was extremely proud of his creations, and at the end, he and his sister both enjoyed playing with them.